let's look at the binomial probability formula. Let's still assume I make 18% of my free throws. If I take 11 shots, what is the probability that I make exactly 3 baskets out of 11? There is a formula that tells you that very specifically. Say what? What's this C? This is combination from the counting video in the last chapter. This is P to the power X, Q to the power N minus X. So let's figure out what those 4 letters are. What's N? Bang on. 11. I shoot the basket 11 times. What's X? The number of baskets that I get, 3. What's P? 0.18. And Q is, as always, 1 minus P. Even later in the class, Q will still be 1 minus P. This will come back at you. So we can plug these numbers into the formula carefully. Sorry, the probability of 3 baskets is 11 choose 3 times 0.18 raised to the power 3 times 0.82 raised to the power 11 minus 3, which is 8. The 2 exponents should add up to n. Now, you can enter this as a single line on your calculator, or you can do it step by step. I'm going to do it step by step. 11 choose 3 is 165. That one's in scientific notation. Do not round here. Just don't. Keep like as many decimal places as you possibly can. So multiply it all together. Let's see what we get. .1967. Now, your answer here, it's a probability. It has to be a number between 0 and 1. If you get something greater than 1, that's a problem. So the probability of 3 baskets is right about 20%. Okay. What's the probability that I don't get any baskets? Try that one out. What would change? Only x. X is now 0. N, P, and Q are all still the same. (11) choose 0 times 0.18 to the power 0, 0.82 to the power 8. The answer is not 0. Be very careful. 11 choose 0. Anything choose 0 is defined to be 1. Why? Because then this formula works properly, and a whole bunch of other formulas that rely on it. What's anything to the 0 power? 1. Whoops, that's not to the 8th power. What power should that be? 11 minus 0, 11. I can't believe I forgot to change that, but at least I caught it. .1127. So your final answer is going to be .1127. About an 11% chance that I don't get any baskets at all. So, one more example. Well, a few more examples.